Ever cooked a microwave meal and thought, well, it's edible, but then you taste a home cooked dish and realize what you've been missing? That's kind of what we're talking about today. We're diving into the difference between RAW and JPEG image formats, what they are, why they matter for your photography, and how you decide which one to use. Don't worry, I promise no tech gobbledygook, just real world comparisons, plain English, and a few good metaphors. And if you're learning to take better smartphone photos, this is one of those aha moments that could completely change how you shoot. Okay, imagine you're about to cook dinner. You've got two options. Raw format is like starting with fresh ingredients, carrots, onions, chicken, spices. You can cook it however you want. Maybe you roast it, maybe you make soup. The point is, you control the outcome. JPEG format, that's like a frozen meal. Pop it in the microwave, and 2 minutes later, it's done. It's fast, convenient, but there's no changing the recipe. If it needs salt, too bad. That decision was made before you even hit start on your microwave. The same goes for photos. A raw photo gives you all the image data your phone captures: color, detail, dynamic range. You can brighten the shadows, fix bad lighting to some degree, adjust white balance after the fact. A JPEG? It's a processed photo where the camera already made decisions for you. Smaller file, less editing power. Like the frozen dinner, it's ready to go, but you lose flexibility. Picture building a house. With RAW, you get the full blueprints and a stack of materials: bricks, windows, wood. You want to knock out a wall or add skylights later? Go for it, you're the architect. JPEG is the house that's already built. You can decorate, maybe paint a wall or hang a picture, but change the floor plan? Not really happening. That's the key difference. RAW equals flexible, editable. RAW gives you flexible and editable images. JPEG is fixed and compressed. When should you use each one? Shoot in RAW when you're photographing important memories, vacations, family gatherings, or once in a lifetime moments, and you want to be able to edit them and fix them up. You want to edit and improve your photos later. You're dealing with tough lighting, backlights, shadows, or indoor color casts. Stick with JPEG when you're snapping quick pictures to text or post. You want to share that meal you're having in a restaurant. You don't want to bother editing later. JPEG files are smaller, so they can use less storage. Personally, I like to clean up my storage frequently to make sure I have room for the raw images, because that's important to me. Also, a tip for iPhone users: if your iPhone supports RAW, it's usually found under the camera or third-party apps. Not all iPhones make it obvious. Learning to shoot in RAW is one of the fastest ways to level up your photography, even if all you've got is your smartphone. If this made a light bulb go on for you, come join my free online community over at AwShoot on Skool. We're building a welcoming space for anyone who wants to improve their smartphone photography, especially if tech normally makes you say, "Oh, shoot." You'll get early access to my new course, Smartphone Photography for Real People, with step-by-step guidance to stuff like RAW versus JPEG, lighting, composition, and much more. So next time you take a photo, ask yourself, am I cooking from scratch or microwaving dinner? And if you found this helpful, hit the like button below, subscribe, tell me in the comments. Have you ever tried shooting in RAW? Or are you Team JPEG all the way? I'll see you in the next video, and hopefully inside the AwShoot community. Until then, happy snapping!